Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a sector OAB and the angle at the center is 80.8 radians. So at this point in time, right, then Mr. Tan would think of the formulas that is for angles in radian. Okay? Now, P is on this point OP such that AP is perpendicular and we are also given OP is 14 and I see a right angle triangle. So at this point, Mr. Tan also think about trigonometric ratios, tuaka so. Okay? Find the area of the shaded region, which is the orange color one. This is the orange shaded region, or the red color. I will need to find the, so this is the approach, okay? Blue color sector area, which is the whole thing. Then I will need to minus away the triangle, right? The triangle, green color or black color. I will then need to minus away the right angle triangle so that I can get my orange, red color, shaded region. Okay, but in order to do that, there are a few things I need to know. I need to know my radius OA. And how do I do that? Tuaka so. With respect to 0.8 radian. Let me focus on this. I will have my adjacent side. I need my radius, meaning I need my OA. I need my hypo. I need this. This is my radius. Okay, I need it. Then I will be able to find my area. So for part A, right, the first part of part A, you will see this set of working, which is for us to find two things. The radius, which is my HYP, OA, and my AP. Why do I want to find AP? Well, I wanted to use half times base times height later on. So I also have my AP. Okay. So O and A, I will use tangent because that's tuaka. So I write it at the side here on top. So to find AP, I use tangent because of O and A. To find my radius OA though, I would then use A and H cosine. Okay? So I will get my radius 20.0945. I will also need this later on. So that now comes the next part, which is I need my blue color sector area. And at this point, please remember that you will then see area of a sector is equal to, this one in case you forgot about it, area of a sector when the angle is in radian is half r square theta, where theta is angle in radian. Radius, the angle 0.8, half times base times height, 14 times 14.4149, and after that I minus away so that I got my blue color area minus away my black color area. So this whole thing is my blue color area. Minus away my black color area, which is the triangle, to give me my final answer, 60.6 cm square in 3SF. So that is for part A. Now, for part B, where we are required to find the perimeter of the shaded orange region, I already know from part A my radius. So now let's zoom in. My radius is 20 point here 0945. This means that OB, which is also the radius, is also 20.0945. So I can easily find my PB. From part A also, I already gotten my AP. AP is 14 point, there you go, 4149. So 14.4149. So I also got this length already. This means I only left with one more length to find, which is this one, so that I can get my perimeter. And since they give me radian is in angle in radian mode, this arc AB is therefore equals to R times the angle. If the angle is in radian, radius also we know already because we found it. So you will see Mr. Chan doing this. I just need this radius multiplying by 0.8. And I just add everything up. So at this point, everybody clear about how we can find the perimeter of this shaded red region? Very good. Now I'm going to review the full set of working. Okay. So my AP, we found it previously. My PB, just need to minus away 14 from the radius. And my arc AB, just need to multiply them. Radius times the angle, 0.8 radian. And you will get the final answer of 36.6 cm to 3SF. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.